Look here. That's the exterminator here. He do the exterminating here. And this stone have vein too, you know, vein, extremely strong. You ask me why I'm so strong.
I am the pen, I am the head, I stand the leg. I let him use the things of the mind. We go that way.
Super peace, super race, super grace, super speech, super angel, super God, super cap, super bird, super power, super God.
This is your wig to paint. You really wig. And this can hang out like this, no problem. I breathe in blue, it's no problem.
I don't know if this should stay here.
You're gonna be #1 painter and the #1 magic performer. That's why Disney will have to come to us. And Mickey Mouse will know that I am God, who will now rule the International Monetary Nation with the best female painter on the planet Earth, Magic Mary.